You are going to love the 2021 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, electronic stability control, wheel locks, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, dual pane panoramic power sunroof, 4-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.